Hey, what's going on, guys and gals? In this particular video, we're going to be talking about the number one reason you should be using mixing station. And we're going to be talking about monitors, compressors, gates. Now, what I've got here is my actual drum machine coming into input number 7, coming in stereo. We've got 6 mix buses, 1 DCA, and then our mains. So the scenario is this. If you're getting ready to come up and do a show, and you're going to have multiple people come up to a particular microphone for vocals or instruments, if they're going to be switching them out, the emails that I got were from churches, they're from secular groups, people playing clubs, to where, they just got all of these people lined up. And sometimes you don't have time to do a sound check. But one thing you must do is when you've got somebody else walking up to that microphone or somebody else is plugging in their guitar, you've got to be ready to change that gain all the way across this board. Now, we're going to be just dealing with one channel, which is the vocal channel. Imagine if you had 18, 19 inputs, because all of this is going to work the exact same way. We're just using one, and that is the vocal input. Now, if I raise the input up on the vocal right here, as you can see, not a whole lot happens other than the main and the DCA. But as far as the mix buses go, not really. If I pull it down, not really. And why is this? Well, it's because these signals go to the mix buses pre-fader. It doesn't matter if you're using in-ear monitors, wedge monitors, house monitors, P16s, the PM24s or the 48s, the P1s, the P2s. It just doesn't matter. Everything goes pre-fader. So this is what happens. You come in here, and we're going to use this, the lead box, again. As you can see where the gain's at, this is my drum machine, and I'm just going to turn it down from the volume. And you'll see every one of these dropping now. You see them dropping on the buses, on the mains, you see? And that's what this is simulating. You've got a powerful singer up there, and they just stepped off stage, and now you've got a very soft-spoken singer that comes up. So you've got to come up here, and you've got to go to that channel, and you've got to adjust that gain back up to the proper input level. And this is what I was talking about. There is no compressor for this. All of this affects the gate, your compressor, and your inserts. Every time you change that gain, it affects everything. And that's what we like about Mixing Station. It has a item in there that's called auto gain. And I'm going to bring that up now. And we're going to look at exactly how this works. Now, keep in mind, we're just dealing with the lead vocalist. See the DCAs? It doesn't affect your buses. It affects your PA, as you can see, but it doesn't affect your channel fader. And it doesn't affect anything as far as these buses go. So we're going to put this right back down to Unity. And now let's go ahead and look at Mixing Station and see how easy it is to do using regain. So here we have our lead Vox. Same scenario, but now we're in Mixing Station. And if we come over here to the right and we click on Mix, these right here are our mix buses. Again, they're all labeled up here. And we're going to come back to our left-right mix, channel 1 through 16. And if I click on this, you can see the bus sends over here. You can see the level coming in right here. That's the input for this gain. Now, if I, again, take this and I drop this down using the drum machine, I'm just using the volume level here. Now, I've got to raise all of this gain back up to get it to that -18. And I want you to watch what happens to the gate, which is here, and the compressor, which is here, and also these bus sends when we do this using regain. If we press and hold it, there it is. We're going to turn this on. There's our level right there. So as we increase this, it's going to tell that compressor this signal's being increased. It's going to tell the gate this signal's being increased. And it's going to tell all of these buses this signal is going to be increased. So it's going to lower everything at the same time. Watch what happens. You see? The gate's coming up, the compressor's coming up, and the buses are pulling back. So now you don't have to go in here and individually do this. Look at the channel fader right there. It's telling even the channel fader, you need to come down in order to make this right. So if we go back out, there we are right back at this volume level. And that's where our fader is now. So again, if we were to increase this, now we have the next singer that comes up, or the next guitar player, and all of these signals are going through your house wedges, your monitors. We do the same thing. We click on this, we come up here, hold it, we check regain, and we bring this back down. Look at the fader coming up. You see? We're right there around that -18. And now the fader is well above unity, as well as the buses. So what happens is this. You don't have to sit there and go through every single bus, every single send. Keep in mind, we're talking about if you're sending your drum, not a bus, but you're sending the kick, the snare, the hi-hat, the toms. If you're doing the bass guitar and then the DI coming back into it, you're miking the cabinets on your guitars, DIs, vocals, everything. And guys, I'm here to tell you that if you don't have the proper input gain set, none of your channel strip processing, I'm not telling you it's not going to work. What I'm saying is this, it's not going to work the way it's designed to work. Okay? I hope this has helped clear some of those issues up. Take it to heart. Now, I'm not hawking my goods. If you come over to my website at danatucker.com, under services, you'll look and see right here, learn how to use Mixing Station Pro. This is $30. Come up here and just read the page. I'm not going to burn up this video explaining it to you. I've got about 150 hours in it. You're going to get close to 40 or you do get 40 videos. And they cover every single menu item of Mixing Station. Now, it does not go. If you already use Mixing Station, this video is not for you. If you don't know how to use Mixing Station, you download it at your own leisure, go through it, and it will explain what every single menu item is in this app. Okay? Take care. God bless. And we are out of here.